Hey, croeso nôl. Paned neis?
Hyfryd.
Hyfryd.
Hyfryd. I like I've turned you into a bossy Welsh beast.
I like being a bossy Welsh beast. Yeah.
Rwan ta, ti'n barod am y wers?
Fi'n barod.
Wyt ti'n gwybod pwy sy'n dod yma ar y soffa i gael sgwrs gyda ni?
Go.
Heddiw, Leanne Wood.
Yes.
Arweinydd Plaid Cymru, iawn? Gyffroes.
Gyffroes.
So, for that reason,
Yeah.
out of parch, respect, achos y swydd, today we're going to use chi. Iawn? See if we can be respectful heddiw, Matt.
We'll try our very
Iawn?
best.
Iawn.
Yes.
Reit te, felly, mae Leanne yn dod o'r Rhondda.
Good place to come from.
Yeah, so we can talk to her about yr Rhondda. Mae Leanne, wel, hi ydy'r fenyw, y ferch, gyntaf i fod yn arweinydd, y blaid, ac mae hi wedi dysgu Cymraeg.
No way.
Yes, ac cyn gweithio fel aelod cynulliad, cyn mynd i wleidyddiaeth, oedd Leanne yn gweithio fel swyddog prawf. Do you know what a swyddog prawf is? Probation officer.
Oh!
Yeah, so prawf
Might have
is
met
like...
her in the past. No, that's never happened.
Bachgen da. What I thought we'd do would be to use some really general kind of... We'll just do some recap, iawn? Some general structures.
Please do. I like a good recap.
And then you can get creative with your cwestiynau, iawn?
Okay.
Felly, dyma ble dyn ni'n dechrau heddiw.
Right.
Dychu o chi.
Dychu o chi.
Right. Think now. Beth ydi dychu?
Dychu. Dychu'n gwybod. Do you know?
Do you know, da iawn. So you can use it as a statement or a question.
Okay.
Dychu. You are, neu are you? So, get creative now. How would we use dychu? You do? So, you come from the Rhondda?
Dychu'n dod o Rhondda?
Da iawn.
O
Rhondda.
Yeah.
Yeah. A wedyn, if you were to add wedi, dychu wedi, you have learnt Welsh.
Dychu wedi dysgu Cymraeg.
Da iawn. So we can talk to her about that. Sit, you know, how she went about it. Ac wedyn, o chi, you were. So, beth am, you were a probation officer. Beth ydi probation officer? Beth ydi officer?
Swyddog.
Swyddog. Prawf.
Prawf.
Prawf literally means like test. You know, you have a prawf yn yr ysgol yn y dosbarth. So swyddog prawf, iawn?
So, o chi'n swyddog prawf.
Yeah.
Swyddog prawf.
Prawf.
Okay.
Okay, so instead of this o chi, we'll stick with that tense, the imperfect tense, iawn? Nesa, sgrid nesa, oedd, okay? So you could say, was learning Welsh important? So, oedd learning Welsh?
Oedd dysgu Cymraeg yn...
Ti'n gwybod beth ydi important?
I do know important. I can't. It's not at the front of my mind.
Yn bwysig.
Yn bwysig. I know that one, yeah. Bwysig, yeah.
So, was learning Welsh important?
Oedd dysgu Cymraeg yn bwysig.
Yeah, da iawn. And let's hope that she says oedd.
Oedd,
Of course, yeah. So, oedd a nac oedd ydy'r ateb, yeah?
Fine.
Oedd, nac oedd. What about, was learning Welsh easy?
How's easy?
Yeah, da iawn.
Yeah? Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't think.
You didn't think, just said it.
Okay, oedd dysgu Cymraeg yn hawdd.
Yeah. And let's hope she says oedd.
Oedd. Well, no. No way is it going to be oedd.
Course.
I know, and you know, everybody knows.
It's easy.
It is not oedd. It's not. You just make up stuff. Special words. Because they're exciting. They're different. Why? Don't know. It's not oedd.
Right, sir. Another one you could use is, so were the family Welsh speaking? So, oedd...
teulu.
Yeah, oedd y teulu.
Oedd y teulu yn siarad Cymraeg.
Yeah, exactly.
Rhugl.
Because I think her mum and dad, I don't think either of them spoke Welsh.
Yeah, that's a good question.
Nawn ni ofyn i ni.
Fascinating, actually.
Iawn, ta Matt. Dyma dy gyfle i fod yn greadigol.
This is my...
Chance to be creative.
Yes,
with
it
your
is.
Cymraeg. Let's
yes,
do
it is. And yours, after this VT.